Hi, my name is Ashish, and this video is step 3 for the create Amazon VPC for use with DB instance. In this step, we'll create security group for a public web server. So I'm going to log into the Amazon console and take it from there. So I'm into the Amazon console, and under my VPC dashboard, I'm going to choose security groups. And this is my security group. Under security group, I'm going to click on create security group, and under security group I'm going to set these values. The name of the security group would be tutorial. I'm sorry for the caps. Security group, and in the description I'm going to type in same thing, security group. VPC I'm going to select for my tutorial VPC. In my tutorial VPC, I'm going to add an inbound rule to this security group. So I'm going to determine the IP address to use to connect to the instance in my VPC, and to determine the IP address in a different browser, we can check the services at uh, here. Like I'm going to go here. I'm going to do HTTP colon // check IP dot Amazon dot Amazon aws.com. It's 4936 140 138. So if I am connecting through an internet service provider or from behind the firewall without a static IP address, I need to find out the range of IP addresses used by the client computer. And there is one point. If I want to use 0000/0, I enable all IP addresses to access the public instances. This approach is acceptable for a short time in a test environment, but it's very unsafe for production environments. In production, you will authorize only a specific IP address or range of addresses to access your instances. So I go back to my here, I go back to inbound rule, I click on add rule, and I'm going to set the following values for the new inbound rule to allow SSH access to the EC2 instances. So if I do this, I can connect to the EC2 instance to install the web server and other utilities and to upload content to the web server. So if I'll go and do SSH, it means port 22. So I can set up a range here. So I can pick this thing up. This is kind of a placeholder value. I can change that as well. So I'm going to do this, right? And I am going to click on add rule, and I'm going to go to HTTP, right? And here I'm going to go select this block, and now I'm going to click on create security group, right? So it is creating. So now in this video, we have just created a security group to connect to the public web server, which is public facing, which would accept the internet traffic, right? And in the next video, we will create a VPC security group for a private DB instance. So I hope you liked this video. If you have any queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.